Where can I find the battery compartment for the ADT doorbell camera?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue you may run into with your ADT doorbell camera: where to find and how to replace the battery. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process and you'll be back up and running in no time.
Identifying the correct model.
Firstly, it's essential to know what model of ADT doorbell camera you have. This is because the location of the battery compartment varies across different models. You can typically find the model information on the back of the doorbell or in the user manual. Ensure that you have the correct model before attempting to open the battery compartment.
Locating the battery compartment.
Once you've identified your model, it's time to find the battery compartment. The battery compartment is typically located on the back or bottom of the doorbell camera. It may be covered by a small panel which you can slide or unscrew to access the battery. Always ensure your device is turned off and disconnected from the power source before accessing the battery compartment to avoid any potential electrical shocks.
Replacing the battery.
After locating and accessing the battery compartment, you should see the battery or batteries. Carefully remove the old batteries. Before installing new batteries, make sure to check the correct battery type required. Once confirmed, insert the new batteries observing the correct orientation, usually marked with plus and symbols inside the compartment. After replacing the batteries, close the battery compartment securely. And that's it. You've now successfully located and replaced the battery in your ADT doorbell camera. Remember, if you encounter any issues or difficulties, it's always a good idea to consult the user manual or contact ADT customer service for help. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.